Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope your day will be better after watching my video. Today's video is about how you can change your iPhone's phone. Let's start. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone. I should point out that iOS doesn't allow you to change the system phones directly, but you can adjust text size and boldness of what we are now allowed to change to adjust text size. Go to the settings menu, tap on display and brightness, then select text size, and drag the slider to adjust. Second thing, iOS allows us is changing the boldness of text, and for that you have to turn back in order to settings and display brightness menu. And then tap the bold text on. You're done. If this is not enough for you and you are looking for something different, you can download third-party apps from the App Store which offer custom different fonts. Please stay tuned for other topics you are curious about. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button.